It's the dawn of the apocalypse. She pop her shit and they'll be locked lips. There is no high that can top this. Her pretty smile and them thick hips, shit is just ridiculous. She break it down, then I twist up. We'll get stuck, stoned and drunk before morning brunch. Can't get enough, we get along cause she don't give a fuck. Cameras in the trunk, we pulling up.
Have you anything else to say?
I wanna say it, know you sick of waiting, sick of praying, running out of patience. He never answers, but you hold him sacred. That's blind faith, so behold the matrix. Who you believe in? Do you have a reason? Through magic voodoo, they will try to fool you. No TV, Hulu, eating ramen noodles. Blessed hallelujah. And who knew what this shit